the fabulous, outstanding class of 2016. You know, they say that the best way to predict the future is to create that future. And all of you have a unique opportunity to do just that. We have every day to be our best, to do our best, and to perform at our best. And no one ever will fault you for trying as hard as you can, even if you might come up short, and even if you might fail. There are so many possibilities as you sit here today that await you. And you put yourself in that position. Why? Because you've worked hard, you studied hard, and you've seen what you can do. And all that work and all that study has allowed you here today. But it's because you've seen the possibilities. And the fact is we could say that things are impossible, but we have an obligation to work hard to change the impossible to the probable, to move from the probable to the likely. And yes, to make that which is likely, that which becomes our reality. There's an identification in all of you. There's a passion in all of you. It's about unleashing that passion. It's about living that passion. It's about pursuing your dreams and creating opportunities. And the fact of the matter is, why work for a living when you could pursue your passion, do something you love, and if you're working every day at what you love, it isn't work at all. You know, all of you are here today as graduates. It didn't take you a day to get here. It didn't take you a week, not a month, not a year. It took a number of years when you came in here in order to get that degree, which is being conferred upon you today, to reach that level. And so it took some patience to get there. And remember, in that patience, remember your struggle. What's your day's plan? What's your week's plan? What's your month's plan? What's your year's plan? What is your life's plan? Because the fact is that when we are prepared and an opportunity presents itself, we are fully able and capable and ready to tackle that opportunity, to prevail on that opportunity, and to do great things based upon that opportunity. From when you were toddlers, from when you were infants, children, middle school, grammar school, high school. You hear it now, and I'll remind you today. If at first you don't succeed, what do? Absolutely. You try again. Don't panic. Don't get frustrated. Just continue to do all the things you've done. If all of you think right now to yourselves and this wonderful accomplishment that brought you to today, and you think about something that happened while you were at Brockport, whether it be a class, an assignment, an extracurricular activity, it brought panic to you. Again, I remind you, where are you sitting today? You made it, right? You did it, did you not? You found the solution to the problem. Is that accurate? And that's why you're sitting here, because you remain calm, you remain poised, and now you're graduates of the class of 2016. We're not judged upon what we did yesterday, what happened to us yesterday, or a miscoming that occurred yesterday, or the greatness that we had of yesterday. We got to keep working today. No matter what occurs, you're going to stay positive. No matter what occurs, you're going to stay focused. No matter what occurs, you're going to continue to believe. No matter what occurs, you're going to stay in the race. You're going to finish the race, and you're going to win that race. We're a world that needs a lot of help, a community that needs a lot of help, a society that needs a lot of help. Unless all of us are focusing on all cylinders, we can't reach the true potential of who we are and what we're about. And so I say, pay it forward, be kind to others, and recognize that we have an obligation and a responsibility to lift someone else up when we get to where we need to go. I am confident that all of you will pull it off if you pay it forward, you stay patient, you are persistent, that you practice, that you plan. And if you do that, there's no question, class of 2016, that it will be our privilege, the world's privilege, to accommodate you, to work with you, and to enjoy all the successes that are yet to come your way in your life. Congratulations, class of 2016.